Be sure to check with your therapist to identify techniques that address your specific needs. To start, you can take both ropes and tie them together at the end to create a loop. Stabilize the sock aid between both legs. Have the end with the rope attachment on the bottom and the base of the trough furthest away from you. With the heel side facing away from you, slide the sock over the top of the sock aid and pull it down. Make sure the toe of the sock is flush against the tool. Take the rope and drop the sock aid down to the floor. Position it so that the opening is facing up. Insert your affected foot into the sock aid and push it through as far as you can. Now, pull up on the rope until your sock is released from the device. Adjust your sock as needed.